𝑂𝐴𝐶𝐵 is a parallelogram in which OA or vector OA equals 2P and vector OB is 2Q. M is the midpoint of BC, N is the midpoint of AC. Find in terms of vectors P and Q, A, B, O, N and Mn in terms of vectors. So first we need to find AB, right? So if you have to find AB, let me join AB. It's not a straight line, I'm afraid. So, but anyway, that's AB. So now we have to have a direction for AB. So we can, because it's asking for AB, so I can say, make AB going from A to B, So that's AB. Now to find AB, you obviously need OA and you need OB and OA. So you have both OB and OA. So then AB should be easy because all we need to do is OA. So for the part A, OA or vector OA plus AB is equal to OB. So AB is what we need to find. So we put in the values like OA is 2P. So 2P plus AB is equal to OB. OB is 2Q. So then AB should be equal to twice of Q minus twice of P. So we have AB now. Now I need to find what ON is. Okay, let me keep the line. Come in handy. So AB. So then to do the B part, ON. So where is ON? ON is here. So let me join ON. So ON again, this would be the direction. And you see that since OB is parallel to AC, so the direction of the vectors would be the same and they would also be equal. So ON I can easily find. Now I should say OB is equal to AC. 𝑂𝐴𝐶𝐵 is a parallelogram. So they are the opposite sides of parallelogram. 𝑂𝐴𝐶𝐵. So you have OB is AC, so therefore that would be equal to twice of Q. So we can say OB vector OB equals this is equal to vector AC, and you have AN equals NC. So the vector AN should be equal to vector NC because N is the midpoint. So AN, I would know what that is. That would be half of AC. So half of AC is equal to half times twice of Q, that is Q. So I can say that NAN, I should say AN. Yeah, AN is half of AC and that is equal to Q. So if AN is Q and OA I know, then I would know what ON is. So we can say OA, start with OA, keeps the directions correct. OA plus AN equals ON. So OA is twice of B vector P plus an, I've just found out, is Q equals ON, which we need to find. So we got it really. ON is 2P plus Q. So I can write it. Writing it in the other way. So that is ON. Now for the third part, MN. So first is this one, MN. So we need to find what MN is. Now we can find MN, using that BC and BC and AC, so half of BC, or we know what MN is, MC and NC is, so we can find what MN is. So let's go that route. So for the part C, we need to find MN. Now we know that OA equals BC, or vector OA would equal to vector BC, because OA equals BC, parallelogram, opposite sides of parallelogram. So BC, that would be equal to twice of P. Now M is a midpoint, so MC is half of BC, or vector BC is half of twice of P is equal to P. So MC we know is P, and NC, AN, is equal to NC. So here we have AN. So AN is equal to NC. And that would be equal to Q. So you can say that MN plus NC is equal to MC. Now MN we have found out. MN we have to find, MN. So we just put in the values, MN plus NC. So you have NC equals Q, and that equals MC. And MC we found out is P. So that is P. So therefore MN would be equal to P, vector P, minus vector Q. And that's the answer.